Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Yotpo reviews for product pages and social proof, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Yotpo reviews for your product pages and enhance social proof, start by logging into your Yotpo account. Navigate to the dashboard. Once there, find the reviews section in the main menu. Click on Settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Integration tab. Select the platform your store is built on. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect Yotpo to your e-commerce platform. After the integration is complete, return to the Reviews settings. Scroll down to the section labeled Product Reviews. Enable the toggle for Show Reviews on product pages. Customize the display settings to match your store's aesthetics. Next, configure the review request emails. Navigate to the email settings within the Yotpo settings. Choose your email template and edit the message if necessary. Ensure your timing settings are optimal for customer interaction. After configuring the emails, go back to the main dashboard. Locate the Social Proof section. Enable options for displaying reviews on product pages. Consider using widgets for displaying reviews prominently. Review the settings for any additional customization options. Once all settings are configured, click Save. To verify the setup, visit a product page on your store. Check if the reviews are displayed correctly. If issues arise, refer back to the Yotpo support resources for troubleshooting. Congratulations, your product pages now feature Yotpo reviews and enhanced social proof. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.